Hey guys, welcome back to X2Z Garage. And in the last episode, we started to install the subwoofer in my 2003 Silverado, but got interrupted by some bad weather. I later learned that there was 2 tornadoes in pretty close to my area, but not close enough to do any damage, thankfully. There was just some really high winds and really heavy rain. But everything outside is fine, and we are all fine, so we're all good. So today we're going to be continuing on that. Today we're going to be finishing it up. So we got to reassemble the console, the dash, and then throw the seats back in there. So I'm going to go ahead and start by I'm going to go ahead and start by putting the glove box, or not the glove box, but the center console compartment area. I'm going to throw that back in there. And then we got this mounted to the back of this yesterday, so that's not going to go anywhere. I also got to hook these wires back up to the subwoofer. And I'm going to mount I got the wire ran up here through the console to put the remote in there, so I can mount that into the console so it's easier. I can adjust it easier. So let's get to work. Alrighty folks, so I have everything in there, the console, the cup holders, and then I mounted the little adjuster there. So there's that. Then I just got to put the seats back in it, and we'll be ready to go. Alright, so I have all the interior back together. The seats are in it, and the subwoofer's back there. It fits back there nicely. I mounted up the controls there. This wasn't fitting super well before, so I widened out the clips a little bit so it'll stay and fit right in there. It fits nicely. So yeah, that's pretty much all we're gonna do to this for now.
We'll start out. Let's see a little favorite song.
Yeah, copyrighted music though.
Yeah, what do you get? 10 seconds or something? 2 seconds?
All right, hold up. Yeah, there's the light there. It's on halfway.
Okay,
copyrights.
Yep.
Let the some uncopyrighted.
Yeah, well, yeah. Because I have this little thing here that I can just plug into the head 3.5mm jack there that I can Bluetooth my phone to. So
you can actually hook your phone right to it.
Yeah. Oh, that's right, with a 3.5mm cable. So yeah. So probably in the next video we're gonna install the one on the table in the 87 GT over there. It's under a couple blankets, so
just in case something drips from the 60.
Yeah.
We haven't had any spots on the floor, so I think we're good.
Yeah. They're probably not going to be able to hear my dad as well because he doesn't have a microphone on, but he said that we have the blankets on because in case something drips from the 68. And yeah, everybody in Michigan, hopefully you made it through that chunk of weather we had yesterday, and thank you for watching. Subscribe, watch our other content, comment. Have any questions, go ahead and ask me, and I'll see you in the next video.